Get fastest update on tech by tapping on subscribe and bell. We welcome you on OS Tech OS, your own technical channel. Today we will show you how to set up a fingerprint scanner in your Samsung Galaxy J7. This is the universal method to set up fingerprint scanner, so you can set up any Android phone with this setup. First of all, the first step, there you have to go in settings and check for biometric section. There you will find a fingerprint section. You have to click on fingerprint and you will see a menu. In that menu you will see that you have to set up one more secure lock, and you have to set up the one lock which will be a pattern or a passcode maybe. By completing that process, you will go through a fingerprint scanner menu and you have to add your fingerprints in your fingerprint scanner. For the ease of the access of your phone, you can add up to 10 fingers to your fingerprint scanner, so you just not to worry about your security. You are going to enjoy these fingerprint scanner functions to your phone.
By setting up fingerprint scanner, you can make access to your online payments with your fingerprints, and you can unlock your apps through it. So let's enjoy this.
To learn, you have to ease your access to our channel. Subscribe our channel. Thanks for watching.